Naturally whiten your teeth at home. Try oil pulling. Oil pulling is a traditional Indian folk remedy meant to improve oral hygiene and remove toxins from your body. Brush with baking soda. Baking soda has a natural whitening properties, which is why it's a popular ingredient in commercial toothpaste. Use hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide is a natural bleaching agent that also kills bacteria in your mouth. One way to use hydrogen peroxide is as a mouthwash before you brush your teeth. Make sure you are using a 1.5% or 3% solution to avoid side effects. Use apple cider vinegar. Acetic acid, which is the main active ingredient in apple cider vinegar, effectively kills bacteria. This antibacterial property of vinegar is what makes it useful for cleaning your mouth and whitening your teeth.